Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, volatility in the markets can make for some sleepless nights for people who are worried about their retirement money. Calvin, what advice do you have to help us get through some of those volatile times?
Sure. So volatile times happen all the time. A correction in the stock market is considered a decline of at least 10% or more. A bear market is 20% or more from the most recent high. That's when the phone starts ringing in our office and people start getting nervous or scared. So I always follow up with 3 questions. Number 1, have your long-term planning goals changed? If not, we should stay the course. Number 2, do you have an immediate need for all of your money right now? Typically not. Right. And number 3, has your risk tolerance changed? And it's the third one that I typically get a yes on if people are really concerned about market volatility. And then we address that by adjusting the risk profile that they have. So putting all this together in a written retirement income plan will help them navigate retirement and volatile times much more smoothly by having a long-term view.
Right. And most likely we're not going to experience volatility only once during a course of retirement. Things cycle, and you have some resources that can help us learn a little bit more about navigating volatility.
That's exactly right. So my team and I have put together the Retirement Roadmap Kit that's going to have all sorts of resources and questions you should be asking yourself about how to react during volatile times to avoid making emotional decisions with your money. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help you navigate volatile times.
Call, text, or go online, and you can get Calvin's free Retirement Roadmap Kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Jen.
Thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.